Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? It is Wednesday. Yeah. It is November the 4th. Time is now 9:28. Eastern Standard Time. Markets are getting ready to open. Pre-market here, CL. Had a nice trade down from 48.22. I believe that was, and I wrote it on down. Scaled out of it here, but the bears aren't done playing as what I'm seeing here on my flow chart. So what I did was I got out in here, and now this is kind of where I use my moving average to kind of see a pullback in the area to get back into. So I am short again right here at 47.79 for 5 contracts on oil here, and what I'm looking for is a big anomaly of a number. Up here, this is where I knew the institutions were ready to hit the bid and come on in, so I went ahead and got short here and been looking out all this here. We got a little bit of congestion, but nothing was to signal that the bulls were ready to come back in yet. So pushing down again, short at 47.79, got filled just a minute ago, right before I started the video. And now I am price now is 47.58, so that's just over 20 ticks, a little over $1,000 right now. So we got a big number right here for another bid hit. So still seeing nothing as far as the bulls ready to come back in, but we got a few orders here. So what I'm going to do is take 2 contracts off here right now. That's a market order. So okay, so I'm in 3 contracts right now. I'm gonna move my stop to break even, and that will be 47.79. Actually, break even plus 1. 47.78 is my stop now. Okay, 3, set that as stop, and that's in there. Okay, this here, these are stop orders right here, so this may come back up and test the moving average line again. So we got a lot of congestion. You can see it in the volume profile over here as things are really starting to build up as well, but nothing really signaling right now for reversal just yet. So now it's just I did watching, pulling contracts off immediately to secure some profit, and then you want to get your stop to break even or near break even as quick as possible too. So in case the thing does decide to shoot on up, you already got a little bit of profits locked in on this one here. So it's been a real good morning so far. So I was able to ride this one down for a few $1,000s, and now pulled a few hundred off on just this trade that I started right before this video when I entered in. So now I'm going to be watching and seeing what I'm going to be doing, whether tightening stops or looking for other levels to get out of. So this original one was an iZone trade up here. Let me pull this up on my market profile chart. So this is where I got in right up in here on this first one. Now we are breached this moving average line. Chance I may come back up and test it again. Looking for a push down to this iZone level around 47.50. 47.49. That is going to be my next profit area. So that'll be 30 ticks, and I believe it actually hit already. That was a quick push down. Now we're showing a little bit of retrace, but I'm gonna set it up as a working order to take profit off of that anyway. 47.49 for 30 ticks. 47.49 by 2, and that there. Okay, and I am going to set and I'll continue to trail my stop to see which way we're going to go. So I got to go back to my flow charts. So this is just the big picture. This is what you really want to look at. Your eye zones, looking for key levels. I marked some things on my 1440 minute day chart. Nothing key on that level up in this area. It was way down here, and I'll always mark it with my yellow horizontal lines. But right now we're looking for a bounce off of the moving average here, and then continue to push down, but I won't know for sure until I actually see numbers, hence where my flow charts really come in to help there. So, and yeah, we got a little congestion. So 400 and better, that's my magic number. That's kind of what I'm looking at. That's looking like the areas they want to play in at this particular moment. So the numbers are always relative to the numbers of contracts typically going out. So if everybody was planning around a 200 or 300 levels, I'd probably be looking around a 500 level or so. But right now 400 is my magic number. 366 right here on this sell order. But it's always relative to where it's at, and because we've had this big push down as well, and then we have this orders of buyers coming in to defend, that'll tell you if these are either sell stops or continuations right now. So right now I actually believe that those are just sell stops, so we should continue down a little more. Again, it's the market, you never know, but utilize your risk management, get profits off as quickly as possible so you can get your stops to break even, and then you can just utilize it from there. So alright, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we're at. Alright, we're getting a slowdown in momentum on this, and here we got another sell stop sitting right there, but we got a bunch of buy orders also starting to come in also. So I am moving my stop down to 47.68, which is right there on the moving average line. That'll tighten it on up there, and yep, then it just got hit. So okay, I'm out of this trade now. As we looking like we're gonna possibly range for a little bit and or turn back up, possibly up here to settlement again. But anyhow, that's how that works. That was a good trade, and hopefully that will help out on kind of understanding what I'm looking at on my flow chart. So alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.